It's Thursday, March 16th here. I'm buying some Meta 205 puts at 492. This is on the 15-minute chart today. Essentially, the stock's been strong, kind of gapped up, moved up, had a big pre-market kind of high or an after-hours high. Let's say, call that the yellow line. So then we opened up a little bit lower here and had the red to green move to the upside. Then we had a pretty big drop here below 200. We started up to take out some stops, which I'll show you in a minute. So I'm buying some puts here, looking for another push down. Essentially, on the weekly chart, we've reached exhaustion risk. We reached our target by this move up. We've had 4 days in a row up. The market itself, while it's strong today, has reached its target. It might have a bit of a pullback. But more importantly, Meta, just looking at the 1 minute chart, it came up pretty big after that red to green move all session long to that close of yesterday. Then it had the big move down, and then we just kind of set up some stops up here to take out on the upside. I don't think we're going to get that secondary push to new highs is my whole point. And I think this little move up here to take out some stops can start working its way down, and we'll see if we can get below 200, then we can work below this pivot here, 199, and then see on that 15-minute chart if we can kind of we'll see what happens in terms of, I think it should hit this level here to separate Noah's trade, and then we'll see if maybe we can take out the lows of the day, that type of thing. On the daily chart, we have this up day for sure, but it is at exhaustion risk. So we'll see if we can work towards the open of that day, which is kind of, right in this area right here. If we could take out that stop, we just want to see if we can take out the open. That could set up the shooter bar to the downside before the day's over. So let's see what happens on Meta. Kind of at exhaustion risk, and buying the puts here aggressively, looking for a turn lower before the day ends.